Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the button to swipe gestures on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down and tap on system management. Now from here, just tap on system navigation. Now from here, instead of 3-button navigation, just select gesture navigation. Now from here, once you select this option, the navigation buttons will disappear. Now from here, you can use the gestures on your smartphone to navigate on your smartphone. Now from here, if you swipe from the right or the left side of your smartphone, you can go back. Or if you swipe up from the bottom of the smartphone, you can go to your home screen. Just like that. Now from here, if you swipe up and hold, you will go to the recent apps sections. And this is how you can change the navigation button to swipe gestures on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.